In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use deduction coupons on Kucoin in 2025. Kucoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange where millions of users around the globe trade, buy, and sell cryptocurrencies. It offers a unique feature in the form of deduction coupons, which can help you save on transaction fees. Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of using these coupons on the platform. First, let's start by going to the Kucoin website. You'll need to open your preferred web browser and type in www.kucoin.com. Once the website loads, you'll be greeted with Kucoin's homepage, which includes various options and features available on the platform. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Kucoin. Now, the next step is logging into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the homepage, where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be directed to the login page where you'll need to enter your email address or phone number along with your password. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. If you have enabled two-factor authentication for extra security, make sure to complete that step as well. Remember, keeping your account secure is always a top priority. After logging in, you'll return to the Kucoin homepage. From here, we will move on to find the deduction coupons. To do this, look for the Rewards Hub tab. It's usually located in the top menu bar. Click on this tab to enter the Rewards section. This hub is filled with various bonuses and offers that Kucoin provides to its users, and deduction coupons will be among them. Once you're in the Rewards Hub, you'll see an option labeled My Coupons. Clicking on My Coupons will take you to a page displaying all the deduction coupons available on your account. Here, you can view the details of each coupon, such as the discount amount and expiry date. Remember, coupons are generally valid for a limited period, so it's important to keep an eye on those dates to ensure you make use of them before they expire. Finally, when you are ready to make a trade, select the deduction coupon you wish to use. The system will automatically apply the coupon to your transaction, allowing you to enjoy the fee discount. It's a straightforward process that can significantly cut down on costs, especially if you're a frequent trader on the platform. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily use deduction coupons on Kucoin to make your trading experience more economical. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you save some extra money on your trades. Be sure to check back for more tutorials and tips on cryptocurrency trading.